LinkedIn login problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for LinkedIn application. Make sure that the app is updated to its latest version on your device because a lot of times outdated application also creates issue in logging in, so just make sure that it is updated. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device, so I'm just going to go back and then tap on the settings of the device and scroll down until you find the option of apps, then tap on manage your apps. So here you can see different apps list over here. You just need to scroll down, or you can just type and search in the search bar and look for LinkedIn application. So here you can see the option of clear data. Just tap on clear data and clear cache. Select an OK. After that, go back and tap on power button and tap on reboot and restart your device. So this might definitely solve your LinkedIn login issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.